Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about regular expressions. Actually, regular expression play very important role in NLP as here we are dealing with text data and we want to extract the part of text which is of our interest. So RE come into picture. RE package is inbuilt in Python. We can use it by importing RE. You can look for more details about RE package in this link here. I will be providing this notebook in description. You can refer it. So guys, here in first code section, we are importing RE to use regular expression. And I am here defining three sample strings so we can use RE on these strings. So guys, first is RE test, then RE test messy, then RE test messy one. Guys, so look at further tutorial. Now, first of all, if you want to split this string in a list and each word should be a element. So how we can do this using RE? We can use inbuilt functions such as split or find all. So guys, we will perform by both the operation. Let's get started. First of all, as we can see that in this first RE underscore test string, every word is separated by a space. And in regex or in regular expression, a slash small s represent the white space character. It includes a single space, a new line character, or even a tab. So if we split using slash s, I hope we can get our desired output. Sorry guys, I forgot to run this code. Now let's run this code again. Yes guys, as you can see, we got our desired output as we were looking. So guys, if we run the same code on second line, do you think we will get the same output? Let's run and see. No guys, we are getting the words different, but we are also getting white spaces as some elements. Because guys, in the second text, you can see that the words are separated using multiple spaces as well as a single space. So for this guys, we can just replace less s with slash s plus. Guys, what is the meaning of plus here? Here plus means 0 or more. Means if there will be, sorry guys, plus means 1 or more. If there will be one space or more than one space, then also it will treat it as a same. So guys, let's run this code. Now we got our desired output. So guys, now let's add the third string. Do we get the same output if we run slash s plus? I think no guys, because as we can see there is no spaces separating these words. Instead of spaces there are some special characters like hyphen, then forward slash, then asterisk mark, and so on. So guys, first we will try to run using slash s plus. So as you can see that the output is very different to what we were expecting. So guys, next regex feature is slash w. Slash capital W means everything except alphabets, either it is lowercase or uppercase, and numbers 0 to 9 and underscore. So if anything is encountered except that, it will split the string. So guys, let's run this code. I think we can get desired output now. Yes guys, now we got the desired output. So this is the basic introduction of split method. Now we will do perform the same using find all. Split basically divides the string by the elements of a list. The find all will also return a list. Now guys, first our text was separated by a single space. Now let's see at the find all method guys. If we will use slash s capital S plus, it means that it will find everything except the space. So guys, let's run this code. As we can see, these are the characters or these are the words which don't contain space, and space is ignored, space is removed, and everything else is finded. So guys, in the second string we can do with the same slash s plus and we will get our desired output. Let's see guys. Yes, we got our desired output. Now what about the third string? We won't get because there is no space separating that characters. So guys, to remove or to split this string, we can use slash w plus because we want that wherever there is words, numbers or underscore, we want that and not that special character string. So guys, let's try this. Yes, slash w plus will find all the small or sorry, lowercase or uppercase alphabets, numbers or underscore, and will find and return the list, guys. So this was same procedure using find all method. I hope you got a brief introduction about split and find all method. So guys, here we want to replace a specific part of the string. We are given a string pipette test, and here the content is I try to follow pipette guidelines. We want to remove this pipette by pipette Python style guide. So guys, let's start doing this. First we run the string, then we are importing re, and we are going to find lowercase a to z, which is one or more than one. So guys, you must have figured out that we will return everything except the two words, that is I and pipette. So guys, let's run this. Yes guys, we got everything rather than these two words because they are of uppercase. Now guys, we are only finding everything in the string that is of uppercase. We will find I and peep. Guys, you must have been wondering why we don't get 8. Because once you look at this regex, that we are only mentioning A to Z, that is uppercase. So peep 8, 8 is a number and it comes in 0 to 9. We did not mention here, so we don't get 8. Now in the next regex, we mentioned number also, that is 0 to 9. So we will get, guys, peep 8. Sorry guys, here is name error. Wait, I misspelled it. So guys, here I got pipette. Here pipette shows that it starts with uppercase letter and end with a number. We did not got 9 here, sorry, I here, because I starts with uppercase, but it does not end with a number. So guys, now we got whatever we want to replace. So guys, we will use re.sub. Sub method takes first argument as the regex, second argument as the string the we want to replace with, means that is the new string, and last is the original string. So guys, if you run this code, we will see that we got our output that we were expecting. I tried to follow Pipette story Python style guidelines. So guys, this was the basic introduction of some regular expression method, that was split, find all, and then substitute sub. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, give us a like, and if you have any query regarding this tutorial, mention in the comments. And we also want that you write the summary of this tutorial in comments. So guys, till then, keep learning, stay safe, see you soon.